Hello everyone, it's Nutan Deep and welcome to my channel. So it's been long. It's been 1 year and I haven't made any video since then. So I thought let's start over because the whole year I have been kept on thinking that whether I should start over or not. Maybe I was confused because the main reason was I was not having that confidence that really I want it should be, and the only way to get it back, to accelerate your confidence, is speak it out loud. And I don't have anyone to talk with in English, so this is the only way for me to talk in front of the camera. And now I have realized that I should start over, and whatever I'm feeling, I want to let you know about English. And the thing is, if you want to learn how to speak English, you need to have the confidence, and this confidence will never get you so easily. It will never come up so easily. You need to put efforts into it, and first of all, you have to speak out loud. Whatever you are thinking, just speak it out loud in English. And daily practicing is needed here. You need to do daily practicing. You must be thinking that what she is telling, what she actually want to convey. So the thing is, uh, neither I am so confident and so intelligent, nor I am uh, a tutor, a English tutor. Even then, I am telling you this, that friendly conversation, you must have to know how to do this, how to get into a conversation and start a conversation in English. Friendly conversation you must need to know and to apply. So friendly conversation is okay, and for this you have to speak it out loud. Whatever is occurring in your mind, start speaking up. The whole household work or anything you are doing, you need to speak it out loud in English, and that's how you can get it back, the confidence. And that's how you can magnify your confidence to talk with anyone. So the main thing is that you have to speak up. See what happens. Storing lots of vocabularies and constructing sentence in your mind will never get you results. You need to do it practically, like a game or an activity. You do it to learn, and by doing lots of practicing, the other day you'll see that you can do more thing into it. Like if you want to learn a game or swimming, you do lots of practicing. That's okay, that's correct. So the same way you have to do in English. Thinking like that, uh, you have to just learn an activity, and you have to do it somehow. You have to reach that confidence level. So I would say that just plunge into that practicing field and start speaking. So it is not about only speaking. The way you speak, maybe you are doing mistakes, it's okay. Making mistake is just a part of learning English, so it's okay to make mistakes while speaking English. The core thing is that you have to reach your confidence level, and that's how you can have a grab over this English language. So start it today, right away. Okay, and don't criticize your English. Whether you are making mistakes, whether you speak busted English, it's okay. You have to just feel great, feel good about yourself, that at least you are talking, you are enough good to talk, to start a conversation in English. So that's cool. And gradually you will feel that yes, uh, I have improved myself little by little. You will definitely do that. Okay, so that's it for today. So thank you.